So I'm going to show you how to use the Blue Snowball microphone. It comes in a little box with this little ball microphone. It also comes with a tripod kickstand and a wire that plugs into the back of it and goes into a USB port onto the side of the computer. So once you have it up, you can have it in front of you and you can use it in programs such as GarageBand. So if I started an empty project, I would just come over here to the audio, and now I can start recording. So this is me using the Blue Snowball microphone. And then you can take that and edit it to put in whatever settings you'd want. If I wanted a ton of echo, bring that all the way over. And you can edit that within the program. But that's the Blue Snowball mic.